Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fairly simple card with some Altenew products. And the reason why I wanted to do this card, one is because I just received the little branch, mini branch stamp set, as well as the thanks die. Now, when I went to go store these, I realized I had a couple of other dies from Altenew that I haven't even used. So I pulled one of them out and I'm going to use it with the Fancy Thanks die as well as this stamp. Now, again, very simple card, easy to do. I'll be doing a little bit of coloring of those leaves on the stamp set with my Copics. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Fine Frames rectangle die and I'm going to cut out about 3 layers of this die, and I'm using a very soft light green heavyweight cardstock. Now this cardstock came in a Simon Says stamp kit I received quite a while ago, so I'm not even sure of the actual color name. Now again, I said I was going to cut 3 layers, and I initially did, but when I glued them together, I realized I wanted to add a 4th layer to give me a little bit more dimension. So you'll see here, it isn't until I glue them together that I realize I just need that 1 extra layer to give me that dimension, because my goal is to put this around the mini branch stamp and have that as my focal point on the card. Now, because I'm going to be using my Copics, I'm going to pull out my Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I'm still not sure about this ink, as I find I get a lot of blotchy parts on my impressions, so I'm not sure about it. I've tried, lightening up on pressing down on the stamp with the pad. I've tried that and I've had some luck there, but more often than not, I'm still getting some blotchy stamps. So I have a feeling in the future I may be looking at a new ink for my Copic markers. So what you saw me do here is center up my stamp in order for me to put on my frame and make sure that my frame is also center on that paper around my stamped image. So I'm going to move on and color my leaves here, and I'm going to throw some music on, and I'll come back to you once the card is finished up and put together. So this is my card. I used a sparkle glitter brush pen on my Thanks die cut, and I also used some sequins on the panel as well. And this just gives it a little bit more character, just a little bit of bling, but still keeping the card simple. So thanks for joining me today, guys. I hope to see you next time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.